My switch from ecology to behavioral sciences started a long time ago when I was working in Africa, in Madagascar, as an ecologist. And I thought that's what I wanted to do as a career. I was interested in the dynamics of rainforests. I assumed that if we're interested in dealing with environmental problems, we've got to study the environment, biology, ecology, chemistry, the atmosphere. And while I was working there, just by chance, I came out of the forest to get some supplies for the research camp that we had in the rainforest. And there was an American economist from Duke University walking down the street. And he said to me, Paul, if you're interested in solving the environmental problems of the world, the rainforest and other areas, you should be studying human behavior, not biology, because environmental problems are human problems. One of the insights from behavioral economics and more broadly psychology and neuroscience is that small changes in the decision environment can lead to dramatic changes in human behavior. The United States throughout is being hit by droughts, and they're going to become more frequent with climate change. And we found that simply showing people how their water use compared to their neighbors reduced their water use by 5%, and it was a persistent, sustainable behavioral change. Now that I'm here in the Mid-Atlantic, I'm really looking forward to focusing some of my work on the Chesapeake Bay. It's a fabulous ecosystem. For decades, it's been experiencing problems that are largely a result of human behavior, pollution from agriculture, pollution from urban areas, residential households. In the environmental field, there have been fabulous technological advances made by engineers. And so one of the things I focus on is trying to understand why humans adopt or don't adopt all these great technologies and why they use them or don't use them in ways that the engineers are hoping that they'll use them. One of the things I'm excited about being at Hopkins is I brought with me this new center with a focus on bringing the behavioral sciences to environmental programs in the federal government and creating a culture of experimentation where people test whether things work or not. Here at Hopkins, there's all these people working on these great solutions for environmental problems, and what we want to do is bring those solutions to the federal programs and test them with rigorous experimental designs to see if they work like we think they might work.